Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add fonts to GIMP. So let's get started. I start by finding and downloading the fonts you want to add to GIMP. There are various websites where you can download free fonts. After downloading, install the fonts on your computer. To install fonts on Windows, simply double-click the font file and click Install. Now select the font and right-click on it. Then select Install for all users. After installing the fonts, close and reopen GIMP to refresh the font list. Your newly installed fonts should now be available in the Text Tools Font Selection drop-down. To access the added fonts, click here and scroll down to find your added font. So that's how you add fonts to GIMP. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.